Hello everybody, welcome back to you again. I hope you are all well. I'm also fine. Now get started our today's lesson and look here and ready for writing something on the paper. Can't help. After can't help, what type of verb is used? Base form, past form, or ing ending verb? Which form? ing ending verb. Okay, verb plus
ing.
Can you give me an example of it? Anyone? Okay, no problem. Just write an example of it. I can't help going to school. So, can you see go is the base form,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And plus ing. But why? After can't help, verb will be ing form, right?
Yes, sir.
So, rule 5. Note down. Can't help or couldn't help, then base form plus ing. In Bangla we can clarify it that আমি এই কাজটি না করে পারছি না। তোমাদের গত ক্লাসে একটু আলোচনা করেছিলাম যে can't but after can't but verb is base form, right?
Yes, sir.
But can't but after can't but verb is base form, but can't help after can't help verb is ing form, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the difference between can't but and can't help. Have you got idea about the rule?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down the rule. Rule 5. After can't help or couldn't help, verb will be base form plus ing. So ing ending verb is used after can't help or couldn't help. Have you written?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Look again. What is it? Two. After two, verb is
Base form.
base form. Okay, good. Base form. And it is called
Sorry.
infinitive.
Infinitive.
Infinitive. Okay, very good. 2 plus base form. There is a rule, of course, but here I am to 8 here. 2 plus base form plus ing. Do you believe it?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe it or not?
Yes, sir.
2 plus base form is okay, that's called infinitive. But I want to clarify the formula or rule here. After two, verb may be ing ending verb. But what is the phrase? Where verb is ing ending verb after two? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me an example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a look. A, note down. View 2 plus verb plus ing. Suppose I want to go to Vietnam with a view to I want to go to Vietnam with a view to visiting Halong Bay. Do you know what is Halong Bay?
No, sir.
Halong Bay is a
কক্সবাজার শহরের লাবণী, সুগন্ধা, কলাতলী ছাড়াও হিমছড়ি ও ইনানি পয়েন্টে ঢল নেমেছে পর্যটকের। পৃথিবীর দীর্ঘতম সমুদ্র সৈকত এই কক্সবাজার, যার দৈর্ঘ্য প্রায় 120 কিলোমিটার। বাংলাদেশের যে কোনো উৎসব পার্বণে এই সৈকত হয়ে ওঠে প্রধান বিনোদন কেন্দ্র। এবারের ঈদে তা ব্যতিক্রম হয়নি। আর
So I want to go to Vietnam. আমি ভিয়েতনাম যেতে চাই with a view to. This is an objective. Why I'm interested to go to Vietnam. I am interested to go to Vietnam to visit. But here with a view to, after with a view to here too, but verb is base form plus ing. So ing ending verb may be used after to in cases of with a view to. Understand?
Yes.
Not only with a view to, there are other places. Do you want to know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now note down. Am used to, is used to, are used to, was used to, were used to. This is an important rule here. Just used to. After just used to, verb is base form. Base form. But if I add am, is, are, was, were, be verb before used to, then verb is ing form. Verb base form, base form plus ing. If you find in a sentence just used to, subject plus used to, verb will be base form. But if you find be verb before used to, then verb will be base form plus ing. So there is a difference between the used to and am used to, is used to, are used to, get used to, got used to, getting used to. Right? Okay. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Do you know an example? An example just
Yes,
in the
sir.
cases? Anybody here? Please, my dear students, just give me an example of used to. Anybody?
I used to take bath in the river.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Why not hand clapping? Thank you very much. Akash, sit down please. Is anybody here who can give me an example of am used to? Okay.
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, thank you.
I am used to taking bath in the pond.
Is she correct?
Yes, sir.
Why not hand clapping for Shaira? Okay, thank you very much, Shaira. Sit down, please. Dear students, you have successfully done well. Very good. Used to থাকলে অতীত কালের কোনো কাজ করার অভ্যাস বোঝায়। যেমন আমি প্রায় রোজ আমরা নদীর তীরে আমি হাঁটতাম। I used to walk on the bank of a river. আমি প্রায় নদীর তীরে আমি কি হাঁটতাম। কিন্তু যদি আমরা বলা হয় এখানে যদি এটা বলা হয় I was used to, এটা তখন ভার্বটা কি হবে? ing ফর্ম ভার্ব হবে। I was used to walking
Walking.
on the bank of a river. আমি অতীতকালে ওই কাজটি মানে হাঁটার যে কাজটি নিয়মিতই করতাম। এই জিনিসটাই হলো এখানে এই দুইটার মধ্যে পার্থক্য। I hope you have understood, right? Okay, now have a look again. Roll 5, roll 6, okay? Gets, got, getting, then used to, plus base form plus ing. So here again 2 plus base form plus ing ending verb again after get, got, gets, got, getting. If you find a sentence in the blanks of right forms of verb, after get, gets, got, or getting, then used to. Verb will be ing form. Just an example for you. She got used to singing on a stage every Sunday. Here, look here, 2. We know that 2 plus base form, right? 2 plus base form. But in these cases, get, gets, got, getting. After this word, if you find used to in a sentence, then verb will be ing ending verb, such as sing is a base form plus ing, then singing. Right?
Yes, sir.
She got used to singing on a stage every Sunday. প্রতি রবিবারে সে মঞ্চে সে গান গাইতো। অর্থাৎ এখানে তার অতীতের একটা কাজের নিয়মিত একটা বিষয়টা এখানে বোঝানো হয়েছে। যদি তোমরা দেখো যে একটি সেন্টেন্সে যে ইউজ টুর পূর্বে সাধারণত বি ভার্ব রয়েছে, দ্যাটস ওকে, দেন ভার্ব প্লাস আইএনজি। ইফ ইউ ফাইন্ড ইউজ টু before used to, if you find get, gots, getting, then again verb plus ing, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is another rule. Have you noted down in your
Yes,
notebook?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now have a look again. And students, suppose you are group A and you all the girls are group B. So there are 2 groups, group A and group B. Group A just get or gets or got or gotten or getting, right? You have these words. Group B, get, used to, gets, used to, got used to, gotten used to, getting used to, getting used to. What is the difference between the 2 groups? Can you explain? Okay, no problem. After get verb, after get is also a verb. Okay, get is also a verb. Iman, number 8. Iman is a boy. Iman got married. M-A-R-R-I-E-D, married at 20. So married comes from base form marry, right? So after get or gets or got or gotten or getting, after these verb, another verb will be first participle. First participle. But if you find get, then used to.
Then verb.
He got used to
Gerund form.
taking care of his wife. Here, taking comes from base from
Take.
take, T-A-K-E, take. So here are the differences. Married comes from marry, M-A-R-R-Y, marry. Marry is the base form. After these verb, this form, I find get used to, got used to, getting used to, then verb will be ing form. That is the difference. Have you got the differences between the 2 forms? To rule? So you can note down rule 7. Students, I want to evaluate you all. I want to check your or test your learning outcomes, or capacity, learning capacity, if you do or not. You have been given 5 verbs in the box. You can see teach, thank, buy, conduct and drive. And there are 5 sentences for you and 5 tips you can find here. First one, he looks forward to dash a computer. You will find or select a verb, and with the rule, with using the rule or formula of the uses of right forms of verb, you will fill in the gaps. In this way, one Nguyen is used to then use a verb here, occur. And C number, Nitu gets used to dash the students. And number D, Rana can't help dash you all. And the last one, Lauren couldn't but dash the game. So use this verb and fill in the gaps, and I'm going to check your time is only 3 minutes. Okay, now start. Okay, write quickly, just 2 minutes time. Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Time is only 30 seconds. Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Buying a computer, driving a car, okay, teaching the students, thanking you all and conducting them. Okay, very good. Thank you. 5:5. Thank you. Okay, nice answer. Okay, good. Thank you. Very good. What about Ria? Okay, buying, driving, teaching, thanking, conducting the game. Very good. 5. Okay. Have a look again. He looks forward to a computer. সে কম্পিউটার কি করতে চায়, এটা কেনার জন্য আগ্রহ প্রকাশ করছে। So buy here, after look forward to, then verb will be ing form, so buy, ing, buying is answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now one inquiry is used to dash a car. A car কে সাধারণত কি?
Drive.
Drive. Okay, drive will be drive, drive. Here drive. When you add ing, then e will be vanished, ing ending. Driving is answer, driving a car. And Nitu gets used to dash the student. Student কি সাধারণত কি করা হয়? পড়ানো হয়, teach. So teach will be ing as get used to. This has the rule. Teach will be teaching. And next, cannot help. After cannot help, verb will be ing form. So Rana cannot help you all. Thanking, as you are good student or brilliant student, you are sincere to study. So I cannot but thank you all. So thank you. Cannot help thanking. Okay. Lauren couldn't but dash the game. So গেমটা কি করতে হয়? পরিচালনা করতে হয়। So conduct মানে পরিচালনা করা। Conduct will be conduct and ing ending verb. So you have done well and thank you very much and see you next time. See you. Thank you everybody.